Hey, this is Edmund here, and I've got a short video message just for you. If you're a business owner or an internet marketer, then you know the value of your time. When it comes to making money online, there are two ways you can go about doing it. The first way is, yes, you can learn everything on your own, and this ranges from anywhere from building your own landing page, how to get leads, how to build your front-end offer, how to build your upsells, how to build your downsells, putting everything together, the list goes on. But the problem with that approach is that by the time you're done with it, it would be weeks or even months from now. And I'm speaking from first-hand experience. And then there's a second way. How would you like to have my team and I do all the work for you and the heavy lifting as well? I mean, wouldn't it be easier, faster, and more profitable for you? So if you scroll below this video right now, you see the full details on the sales funnel system done for you. But to go through the points really quickly, here's what this powerful installation includes. First, a high-quality evergreen front-end offer. Number two, a string of upsells and downsells done for you. A done-for-you landing page package complete with a free giveaway report so that you can convert visitors into subscribers and start building your list at a warp speed. You also get 20 personalized follow-up email series loaded into your autoresponder account. And ultimately have my team and I do every setup for you configuration in the next 5 working days. If this sounds something that you like to have and you value your time because your time is a premium, then this is something that you seriously should consider, because we're talking about adding an extra sales funnel, not just any product, but an entire sales funnel into your online business. And to add, you also get the full instructions on how to use this business and start making money, because all you need to do after this is to send traffic over and over again and have this thing convert and make money for you like gangbusters. And if you're sick and tired of trying to do everything yourself, and you'd rather have my team and I do it for you, and not to mention at a rather inexpensive or affordable investment, then this is absolutely for you. Just a heads up though, this special offer is only for you to see only once, and if you choose to skip this for any reason, you're not going to see it again after this. So decide wisely. Again, my name is Edmund. Thanks for watching, and look forward to working with you very soon.